Teachers have different styles in the classroom. Their style comes from a range of influences, including their educational philosophy, the students in their classroom, the subject matter they are teaching, and even their own personality. In this video, we'll explore 5 common teaching styles. The first teaching style is the authoritative style. This style is characterized by structured rules and high expectations. Teachers who adopt this style maintain a formal tone and a strong control over the classroom environment. They provide clear expectations and consistent rules, but also offer the necessary support for students to meet these expectations. This style is particularly effective in maintaining discipline and order in the classroom, which can enhance learning by minimizing distractions. Moving on, the demonstrator style, or the coach style, relies heavily on demonstrations and visual presentations of educational content. Teachers using this style often employ multimedia presentations, experiments, and hands-on learning activities to help students understand complex subjects. This approach not only engages students visually, but also helps to bridge the gap between theoretical learning and practical application. It's especially useful in subjects like science and mathematics, where conceptual clarity can significantly enhance comprehension. The third style is the facilitator style, which emphasizes student-driven learning. Teachers adopting this style act more as facilitators rather than traditional instructors. They encourage students to explore topics independently or in group settings, which helps develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills. This style is highly interactive and is designed to foster a classroom environment where students feel comfortable expressing their thoughts and ideas. It is particularly effective in encouraging lifelong learning habits among students. Next, we have the delegator style, which assigns a high degree of autonomy to the students. In this approach, the teacher acts as an observer, allowing students to work on projects or research independently while providing guidance and support when necessary. This style is beneficial in higher education settings, such as university courses, where students are expected to engage in independent scholarship and group work. It helps students develop a sense of responsibility for their learning and enhances their ability to work collaboratively. Finally, the hybrid style or integrated style combines elements of the aforementioned styles depending on the educational context and learning objectives. Teachers using the hybrid style adapt to the needs of their students and the specific educational material. This flexibility allows for a dynamic classroom environment where teachers can switch between being authoritative to facilitative as the situation demands. It acknowledges the diverse learning needs of students and the necessity for a flexible approach in education. So now it's your turn. What is your teaching style? Let me know in the comments. I've also left some videos that I picked just for you. You should be able to see them on the screen now. Enjoy.